I figured I'd give you a quick tour of my camper here. This is a 1979 Slumber Queen truck camper, which I've converted into a travel trailer. Has trailer brakes, all the regular hookup, new jack. Lowered the bed, created a basement storage. Freshwater tank, lighting. Still retains its original propane system. Dual propane tanks. You can see where we added the new section to the old metal from the original truck camper itself. Original windows. Everything has been sealed up with marine grade sealant. Added a battery compartment door, but can't fit the batteries out this door. You can only work on them, so to prevent people from stealing them. It's all metal, aluminum. Heavy duty frame was actually salvaged from a 28-foot RV, cut in half. A 13-foot floor plan with 3-foot hitch, so 16 overall length. 3,500 pound axle with trailer brakes. New bushings and shackles welded in, undercoated the entire thing with asphalt type sealant, I guess you would say it is. So far so good. New tires, 15-inch tires, steel fenders, Lincoln Navigator mud flaps. Added an old fridge door for the rear storage. Keep the generator in here. Lighting. More storage. There's lights facing backwards inside this one as well. Resealed every surface. All the windows resealed. Everything. Entire rain drip. Everything got resealed. Welded on the bumper from the salvaged fifth wheel. All steel. Spare tire mount with another 50-inch tire matching. Bolted on, built this step. Folds down, folds up. Original heater from the camper. It's separated here. Here's the separation line. Used a little cutting board for a back plate. Light for the license plate. There's actually storage inside the bumper. Put another storage bin over on this side for this side storage. Drain for the sink. Propane line into the heater. Original propane system from the original truck camper. 15-inch wheel, metal fenders. And then you got your regular AC plug-in, water tank, lock on it so nobody can spike it. And 3-way fridge, which has been out, serviced, runs good, works great, works on 12 propane. And AC. new fridge roof. Added an extra large roof vent for the front with the escape hatch. The original weight of the camper was 1,460 pounds. Now, to convert it for kilograms, it's now 1,280 kilograms, which is roughly 2,600 pounds. So, well within the 3,500 pound axle limit. My wife restored the interior. Put this nice wood stickers on there. I think it looks good. This was so beat up. Now it's all nice. This somebody painted, buffed it clean. It was actually chrome to begin with. Your standard truck camper configuration. Table. Got under storage. Storage, of course. And if you reach inside, there's a latch in there and a latch in there, and this actually folds down into a full-on bench, or even a small kid bed. Don't got power on right now, but all the lights function. Sink functions, stove works, tap system is good. We had these seals leak out on both these, but now it works. Hand pump. More storage. Cutting board. Knives, silverware. Yeah, basic. Reconditioned the stove. Repainted it. Still functioned, but it was cruddy. But pretty good now. Still a little bit of still pretty good. 3-way fridge. After all these years, 1979, it still functions flawlessly, surprisingly. Hood, fan and hood. Backing, nice backing. More storage up there. Roof vent. Closet. We left the original deckling from the truck camper. Electrical box. This thing's had all new electrical, and I have installed dual batteries. Our control panel. This is a test switch. You just flick it up, test all the outside lights. Flick it down, gives you your basement lights for the front, and side storage. Added in USB charger. This ended up turning into more storage to the outer bin, but I sealed this one up from the outer stuff. But this gives us another storage bin that's sealed from, well, virtually the outside, so we're pretty decent with that. This is also another storage, and with this storage, this is actually where you access the batteries and put batteries in and out of it. That goes all the way through to the other side as well. Go open the outer door. Yeah, more storage up there. So can't forget about the outside light switch and a fire extinguisher. Always need that. It's a given, I say, if you go camping or do any of that stuff. And last but not least, CO detector, lifesaver. Move along. We come to the bed area, which, like I said, had been lowered. You can see where we chopped from the original construction, added our own setup in there, repaneled all the sides. Built a storage shelf for in here, so you could put your computer and whatever else there. Lighting both sides, and of course the escape hatch, which probably should open this up first and give you guys a look.